All right, what's up, YouTube? I usually don't make videos, but for this case I wanted to, because this caused me a lot of grief. I have a 2003 F-150 XLT, and it wasn't starting. I can't replicate it, but the anti-theft would come on. I had no power to the headlights. I had no power to start it, and whenever I tried to start it, the relay down here kept clicking. So I was watching a bunch of videos. They said that it was the relay. Check the fuses. All the fuses are good. Fuses are good. There was a video said this one was a big culprit. I checked it. It's good. I even changed the alternator because I thought the alternator was the problem. Alternator's putting out 14, so it's good. Battery's good. Come to find out, another weird thing is that I could jump start it, which no other video had. So I was able to jump start it. All that I needed to do was move the terminal. The terminal right here is so corroded that it wasn't getting power. So, if you were like me and you were struggling to find reasons why it wasn't starting, no start, no crank, check the battery terminals. So I'm gonna go ahead and give those a good wash, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. Hopefully this video helps somebody, because I know that I was struggling for a very long time. So, all right, till the next one.